Alright, can you guys see that leak right there? You know what that's caused from? That's caused by a bad hose clamp. Well, it's not even actually bad. It's what's happening is, so yeah, I can keep my hands on that. So this is the original hose clamp. It's a spring clamp. It automatically adjusts with temperature. So it gets cold, it contracts. It gets hot, it expands. But put on these cheapy hose clamps that you tighten down by hand, and it's not sealing correctly. So you can see it was dripping down there. See right there, it's dripping. So I need to go in there, remove these jukey hose clamps and put in the original hose clamps. So learn from my mistake. Use the hose clamps that Toyota designed the vehicle for, and you won't have any problems. So this took about 3,000 miles for it to actually show itself. Yeah, always stick with the radiator hose clamps that the vehicle came with. Now I'll hear all kinds of debates on whether these spring type are any good, but I'd rather have this on my radiator hose than the worm drive type. So there you go, guys. Learn from my mistakes.